Good afternoon, we are the consultant team for Billabong. My name is Kim and I am a long-term analyst.
My name is Kate and I'm your supply chain consultant.
My name is Nathan and I'm the auditing specialist.
My name is Kevin and I'm a supplier relationship management consultant.
We have developed the following sustainability vision statement for you to consider. We are in a strategic advantage because we will make sure our products are of the highest quality, protect our customers, our team and our workers, and ensure that we use sustainable techniques to improve our brand image and make our business viable in the long term.
Sustainability is defined as managing triple bottom line, which means companies should manage their financial, social, and environmental risk, obligation and opportunities. The United Nations has released 17 Sustainable Development Goals, including decent work, responsible production, good health. And we want to work with these goals for our company. A big issue is sweatshops. These factories put workers in dangerous and unacceptable conditions. They work long hours without break, have very low salary, and no social insurance. There are many cases like Nike and Foxconn where their brand image has suffered because of these sweatshops. We want to make sure our production maintain safe and proper conditions. This can be done through improve our auditing, which will be discussed later.
In 2016, Ripco's reputation has highly suffered due to its supply chain ignorance. It was using North Korean slave labor to manufacture its garment and argued that it was not aware of it. As a result, it lost many of its clientele and this had a negative impact on its sales. We do not want to be associated with this. So our aim is to start providing our supplier list and details on the factories that we are currently using. Providing an online sustainability report is in our project. The one provided by Adidas sets the targets the firm wants to achieve by 2020, and it is very interesting to see the initiatives that they are ready to undertake in order to promote supply chain sustainability. We are planning to do the same. Our brand already supports some eco-friendly projects such as Blue. However, we want to do more to show our will to be sustainable and to survive in the fashion industry, and also to meet our consumers' demand to be more involved in those types of projects. For instance, we could sign the Fire and Building Safety in Bangladesh Pact. Furthermore, to protect our long-term viability, we need to maintain an active presence in the market through sponsorships in surf events, for example, to show that we exist and to attract customers. Extra advertisement about our goal to promote supply chain sustainability should also be at our advantage. And we are planning also to pay more attention to our workers, and by doing all this we could ensure our long-term survival in this industry and secure our social license.
There are three keys to improve the SRM. So the first one is Billabong has to know its existing supplier and how well of their work system, including knowing how they get the raw material, how the production process, and how they maintain their performance and quality of the product. Create a channels for consistent communication and build the relationship strategy that allows both internal and external teams to quickly communicate, will help to facilitate more transparency and form an even-sided conversation. It also could deliver big opportunities through a faster time to market efficient transaction, competitiveness, risk management, and possibility of cost reduction. And the third, transparency and traceability are also very important for Billabong. Full transparency can be done by publicly list Billabong to a supplier, such as list source of raw material, location, and facilities. Moreover, audit publication of facility can enhance the transparency of the firm-supplier relationship.
Supply chain auditing is an important part of our business. In 2015, we used Bureau Veritas to conduct an audit of 60 key suppliers, and we continue to assess them. We aim to ensure our suppliers meet our requirements in our code of conduct. Making sure our supply chain is thoroughly audited will help our company in many ways. They help to minimize supply chain risks. Having real-time data about various suppliers can help us to keep the best performing suppliers we need to meet our expectations. Secondly, audits identify sources which may be unethical or hazardous. A supply chain audit allows us to know where every piece of our product comes from. This keeps our business away from potentially harmful situations which can ruin our brand image. Lastly, audits can help improve product quality control measures. By researching the factories making our products, we can make sure that our products are being made at the highest quality and that industry standards are being maintained. It is our responsibility to make sure that all of our suppliers are being audited, not only once but over time. In conclusion, for these reasons, we believe that using sustainable techniques will benefit Billabong and its future growth.
Merci.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
感谢收看。
Terima kasih.